Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix GoodShort new live chat feature not working. So let's get started with the video. So first you need to check that this feature is right now available in your region or not. You can open any of the browser and check it. If it is available in your region and not working, the following steps you can take is, first you can try to update your application. You can go to the Play Store, search for GoodShort, and here make sure that if you get an option of update, you update the application. The next one is check your internet connection, because a stable internet connection is very important for live chat to function. You just verify that your connection is reliable. You can switch to mobile data from Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi to mobile data you can switch it and check which internets work for you. The next one is you need to clear the app cache. So how you can do is, basically this application has built-in feature for that. You can open the application. After that you can click on My, that you will see at the below right corner, and here you need to click on Settings. Here you will get an option of clear the cache. You need to click on this clear. A pop-up window will come. Again click on Sure. So the app cache has been cleared. The next step is try to reinstall the application, because uninstalling and reinstalling the GoodShort app, it can address the potential installation issues that might be causing the effect of the live chat feature. The next one is to contact the GoodShort support team at last. So basically this live chat feature is for to contact the customer support. Since you don't have this feature, you can also add the issue description and message them. How you can do that is click on this feedback icon. Since you don't have this feature, you will not get option of new chat here. You will get an option of message. Click on this message. In this issue description, you have to describe your issue, that you are not getting an option of the live chat feature where you can connect to the agent directly. You can write it here, and also you can share the screenshot that you are not getting this option, and after that you can click on submit. So after this you will get the resolution maybe over the email, and you will get notified about it. So this is how you can fix this issue. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.